Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today. In this video, we are talking about a great essential oil, very rare and very unique. We'll discuss its great health benefits and also skin benefits. And that oil would be Magnolia Essential Oil, Magnolia Flower Essential Oil. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys are always up to date with all the videos I'm uploading. I'm uploading lots of videos with great natural DIY skincare, recipes, beauty tips, as well as information about healthy lifestyle. So let's talk about the great benefits of Magnolia flower. Well, Magnolia flower, the origin of this oil is China, and it has been used since the beginning of the times in traditional Chinese medicine. So first of all, if you're going to use it for your skin, always use it in 1% dilution, which means for 2 teaspoons of carrier oil, you would use only 3 drops of Magnolia Essential Oil. Magnolia Essential Oil is also called white cedarwood, and believe it or not, the magnolia blossoms are generally harvested at night. That's the time when the fragrance is most potent. Talking about the main compound in Magnolia Essential Oil, that will be linalool. And linalool in essential oils is well known for its calming and soothing properties. So it does have some relaxing effect in acting like a sedative, but at the same time, it's very uplifting. As far as the scent, Magnolia Essential Oil has very exotic, of course, fruity smell, and I think it's very fresh at the same time, so I really love the smell. The way you could use Magnolia Essential Oil, if you have any tension in your body and even in your mind, you could easily use Magnolia Essential Oil for that, because its aroma is very calming and can ease worry and tension. Magnolia Essential Oil could also be used to increase the circulation, and it's very helpful in treating minor abrasions and scars. I love to use this oil during the monthly cycle. If you're suffering from any discomfort, it's also a great remedy. And if you also have any congestion, you could diffuse Magnolia Essential Oil. It helps to relieve congestion. Magnolia Essential Oil has very powerful high levels of analgesic and anti-inflammatory compounds. That's why actually it helps with this monthly cycle, helps with cramps, it helps with aches, pains, and soreness. As far as skin issues, it's very good to use for psoriasis, eczema, and rashes. And it is also helpful to reduce the swelling. So I believe that these benefits are really powerful, and we could rely on this oil whenever we can. And Magnolia Essential Oil, I consider it a very unique oil. I do have a couple of recipes in mind that I would be happy to share with you. And I want to share with you the relaxing bath blend and also something for menstrual cycle. So if you're interested, please let me know. I will start working on these videos at once. But if you want to get Magnolia Essential Oil, I think it's wonderful to use it in preparing wonderful scents, especially to prepare maybe your own signature perfume and dry perfume as well. It blends well with geranium essential oil, bergamot, all types of cedarwood, chamomile, jasmine, patchouli, neroli, sweet orange essential oil, rose, lang lang, and sandalwood. And so it's just a lot of oils you can blend it with. The only thing I need to mention here is that Magnolia Essential Oil is not kids safe, so you need to be careful and do not apply it on your kids by no means, and be careful diffusing it around small kids especially. I really hope you guys like this video. Now you know everything about Magnolia Essential Oil, and you can decide for yourself whether you need to get one or not. And if you're new to my channel, I just should mention that I think this is my essential oil video series where I'm going to talk about various essential oils, but I really try to pick like the most unique ones in the beginning. And if you are interested in any essential oil in particular and you want me to prepare the video about it, I will be happy to do so. So just please share your thoughts in the description bar down below this video. Thank you guys so much for your support and attention. I really love it, and it helps me so much to move forward with everything I'm doing, because I really hope that it is useful, everything you're watching, everything I'm trying to deliver, this information. So if you like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy and very healthy. I wish you to enjoy your life, enjoy yourself. I really wish it from the bottom of my heart. And I will definitely see you in my next video.